Hello everyone, welcome again. I am back with my new video. Today I am going to make a conversation with my new friend, and he is from Rajasthan. And please watch the video till end. I hope this video would be helpful to you. So guys, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So guys, without wasting time, let's get. Hello,
Hello, hi.
hi brother. How are you?
I am fine, brother. And what's about you?
I am also fine. Thanks for asking me, and thanks for making a conversation with me.
Yes,
So,
brother.
brother, I am very curious to know about yourself.
Question. That's brother. Uh, Thank you very much. So give me this opportunity. I am pursuing my BTech course from Rajasthan College, and I have done I have done my 12th class in 2020
2020. That's great.
in my village.
Okay. And brother, could you please tell me what's your nice name?
Brother, my name is Nitesh Agarwal, and you you can tell me Nitesh. You
Nitish.
can you can say me Nitesh.
Yes, yes. Okay, Nitish. Okay, that's great. And so sweet name, Nitish.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, thank you. It's my pleasure. And I'm asking to you, how long have you been learning English?
Brother, when I when I prepare when I was preparation for JMN's exam, then I faced some problem in English language. That time I I thought that after this preparation I will take a coaching of English. So I think it's 20 to 25 days.
Okay, okay, that's great. How are you feeling right now about your English speaking journey, and how is your going English speaking journey?
Brother, firstly, I want to thank you. I want to say, uh, I want to thank you that you are invited me in your YouTube video, and I feel very good because I my I thought in my I thought from my childhood that I will learn English language, and now I am learning English language, so I feel very better.
Okay, brother. Okay, how many steps do you adapt in your
Mm,
English learning?
yes, brother. This is not this is not a this is not a planned study. So firstly I go to my coaching center in morning 10 o'clock, and after this after this uh, I come to my home, and after coming the home, generally firstly I complete my homework, and after this I talk with you, and after this I find some general meanings on Google. That's nice.
Brother, actually, I am asking to you, how
Yes.
many steps? Step that means I just like I adapt three steps like
Yes.
listening practice and
Mm,
speaking and reading.
reading.
Yes,
But yes,
yeah.
brother.
I'm same question I am asking to you. How many steps do you adapt?
Brother, um, brother, I adapt three. I adapt also three adapt.
Yes.
First, firstly, I go to coaching center. Yes, and after after coaching center, I talk with you. Yes, and third,
Why
uh,
did you join English coaching?
yes, brother. Uh, Brother, when I want when I wanted to learn English, then some my friends tell me that you must join English coaching in our village. Then brother I joined English coaching. Then
Oh,
my third step is find meaning. Yes.
Okay, means do you watch any videos English related?
No, brother. This is my weakness that I not watch any English video on YouTube. But I think that I will started. I will start. I will start to.
I
Yes.
am asking to you. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
I am
Yes, brother.
asking when do you
Yes.
watch any YouTube videos?
Yes.
Then are you able to understand them? What is speaking that person?
Yes. Yes. Brother, when I watch a cricket match and after cricket after completing cricket match, you know that every cricket player give a speech in English language. Yes,
Yes,
that
yes.
English that English speech uh, I can understand. I can understand normally.
Okay, brother, you can understand. Okay,
Okay,
that's
brother.
good. And do you read any books, grammar book?
No, brother. No, I have no any English grammar books. But uh, generally, I feel that I required a English book. Then I bring a book from my younger brother. My younger brother is in seventh class.
Okay, your younger brother in seventh class.
Yes.
That's great. And how much time do you spend on your skill? Yeah,
Brother,
English
according
speaking.
yes, brother, yes. According to me, brother, it is not enough. I am in a day. I spend in one and one half time in English language.
Okay, okay. Yeah, approx 2 hours you spend on
No,
your
no,
speaking
brother,
language.
no. I think 2 hours is more than. But generally, I spend in English skill in my English skill 1 hour.
Okay, okay, okay. That's why it is enough. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, brother. That's all for today. We will meet next video